In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Shopify store. Now, while it might seem like there should be an easy one-click solution to back up everything, unfortunately, Shopify doesn't currently offer an all-in-one button for exporting all your store data at once. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through the manual process of securing your store's important information, and it's easier than you might think. First, let's start with the basics. Backing up your data. This includes things like your products, customers, discounts, and more. What you need to do is head over to Shopify's admin page. On the left panel, you'll see various options, and you want to start by clicking on Products. Once you're on the Products page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a little button labeled Export. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select your preferred file format, such as CSV, which is widely used and easily accessible for storage. Once you've saved a backup of your products, it's time to repeat this process for the other critical sections of your store. Keep in mind that your customer information and discount data are just as important. So, similarly, navigate to Customers on the left panel. Once again, find that handy Export button at the top right and choose the file format in which you wish to save your data. Ensuring you have backups of these lists can save you a lot of potential headaches down the line. Moving on, let's cover how to back up your store's theme. This is an important step because your store's theme controls the visual and functional aspects of your site that your customers interact with. To back up your theme, start by clicking on Online Store from the main menu on the left-hand side. This will lead you to a page displaying your current themes. Identify your active theme and look for those three little dots next to the theme's name. Click on them. This will give you a drop-down menu from which you'll want to select Download Theme File. When you do this, Shopify will prepare and email a link to download a file that contains all the essentials of your theme. And just like that, you've successfully backed up significant aspects of your Shopify store. While it might not be the one-click solution we'd all love to see, it's still a straightforward and efficient way to ensure your store's valuable information is safe and sound. Remember to periodically perform these steps, especially after making significant updates to your store, and you'll maintain a well-protected backup of your store's data. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.